Real-life situations are mentioned in chemistry because they show how chemical ideas explain everyday events and help us make better decisions. Chemistry problem-solving mirrors real decision-making because both ask you to observe, think about what you know, and pick the best option using evidence. Imagine you spill a glass of soda and want to clean it up. You notice the sticky mess, think about what dissolves sugar, and choose water or a cleaner that works. That is the same step-by-step thinking chemists use when they test ideas. Real examples help you see why a concept matters, like how acids and bases affect baking or how mixtures separate in water and oil. So the idea stops being just words in a book. When problems match things you see at home or in the world, you remember the steps better and can use them to solve new problems. A common mistake is thinking chemistry is only about abstract formulas and not about things you do every day. And the fix is to link each idea to a simple household example so it becomes familiar. Another mistake is jumping straight to an answer without writing down what you know. And the quick tip is to always list the facts and what the question asks before solving. Some students try to memorize steps without understanding why they work. And it helps to ask why each step makes sense, so the method becomes useful for different problems. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources that connect chemistry ideas to real-life situations.